Hey everyone, welcome back to Achieving High Academy. So we are still on factorizations for grade 10. So let's get to the equations. So we have two equations on the board which says the first one says a squared minus ax minus 1 plus x. Then the second one says 6a squared minus b plus a open bracket 2 minus b 2 minus 3b close bracket. So these two equations here on the board are kind of complex, but then I'll try to make them simpler for you so that they do not become hard or different to those ones we have done back. But then they're the same, just that they're kind of complex. So on this first equation, we will start by putting this equation in a solvable manner, because when it is like that, you can't solve it, or you will solve it, but then it will be very confusing. But then you have to put it what in a solvable manner. So when you are putting this equation in a solvable manner, we're going to have a squared minus 1, and then we're going to have a squared minus 1 minus ax plus x. So when you have put your equation in that manner, you are making it easy for you to be able to solve it. So we will start by doing what? Grouping this equation. So we're going to have a squared minus 1 minus ax plus x. After you have grouped your equation like that, you are going to take out a common factor and also factorize. This term here needs to be factorized for you to have the final answer. Because when it's like that, you cannot take out the common factor. But then because it has a squared here, it simply tells you that you have to factorize it. So let's factorize this equation, this term here, and then take out the common factor on this other term. So when we factorize this one, we're going to have a minus 1, a plus 1. And then taking out the common factor on this one, it's negative x, whereby you're going to have an a and a minus 1. Right. So when you have reached this step, you now do what? You take out another common factors, which is a minus 1, a minus 1. So these two are what? Are common. So you're going to have what? A minus 1, whereby you will be left with what? A plus 1 minus x. So you put these three in the same brackets. A plus 1 minus x. And then we have solved your equation. So moving to the second one, we have 6a squared minus b plus a 2 minus 3b. So on this one, we can just factorize it without solving it first or putting it in a solvable manner also. So on this one, you have to start by simplifying this term. Simplifying it. So we now put simplify in factorize. So you have to start by simplifying that one for it to be solvable. So we're going to have what? 6a squared minus b plus yeah. So we're going to have plus a times 2, which is what? 2a. We're going to have 2a. A times negative 3b. We're going to have what? Minus 3ab. So when you have done that, it's now solvable. You can solve it when it's like that. But then you have to put it what? In the correct manner. So you're going to have what? 6a squared plus 2a minus b minus 3ab. Now you can start by doing what? Grouping this equation. We're going to have what? 6a squared plus 2a, close bracket, open another one, negative b minus 3ab. After you have done this, you're taking out what? The common factor. The only thing that is common here is 2a. So you're taking out 2a as a common factor. We're going to have 2a divided by, 6a squared divided by 2a. We're going to have what? 3a. And then 2a divided by 2a. We're going to have what? Plus 1. And then you do what? You take out another common factor in here, which is negative b. So you're going to have a negative b. You're going to be left with negative 3ab divided by negative b. You're going to have what? A positive 3a. And then negative b divided by a negative b. You're going to have what? A positive 1. After you have done this, you take out the common factor again. Our common factor here is what? 3a plus 1, 3a plus 1. So 3a plus 1 as our common factor. We are left with what? 2a minus b. So it's going to be 2a minus b. And then you are done. You have solved your equations. You'll get yourself your 6 marks. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. You got yourself 6 marks. So if you have found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And stay tuned for our next video, whereby it's going to be our last video where we will be dealing with factorization. So I would like to thank you and have a wonderful day, or a wonderful morning, or a wonderful evening.